Good day everyone. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anmar to say this into major in English batch 4. Now, I would like to discuss about uh, noun. Noun is a word used to identify any of a class of people, place, or things, which is common noun, or to name a particular one of the people, place, or things, which is proper noun. Now, it is the example of noun. For example, place, Shayan, Dipolog, Sindangan, and Manila. And person, Anna, James, Mary, and Juan. And also same as things, car, bag, frame, and shoes. Now, we have the two types of noun. The first is common noun. A common noun is denoting a class of object, a concept opposed to be a particular individuals. Example, car, man, woman, and planets. This is a common noun because it didn't say the particular names of the same things, place, or person. And the second is proper noun. A proper noun is a name used for individual, person, place, and organization. Like for example, Honda, Alma, Earth, and Atlantic Ocean. This is an example of proper noun. It is proper noun because there is a given name of the person, place, and things. And of course, it start a capital letter as well. Um, how to identify noun in the sentence? Like for example, here, I have three sentences here. This sentence is also a common noun, like she walked home. The underline here, she is a common noun. Now I change it into a proper noun. If you change the word she, if you change the name of person like Anna, she was a proper noun because she is a common noun because in this sentence, she walked home is the noun because she is a person. In this case, we can consider that is a common noun because it didn't say what is her name. If you see Anna, Anna walk home is a proper noun because the sentence is say particular name of person. Anna, it's changed Anna. Number 2, the teacher gave an essay for homework. The underline here is common noun because in this sentence, our noun is teacher because it is a person, and it is considered a common noun because we don't know how to exact name of teacher. If you change here like Mr. Adam, Mr. Adam give an essay for homework, it is a proper noun because because Mr. Adam is the name of person. Now as we can see the meaning, if the sentence not change at all, even we change the common noun, and the common noun, the teacher is common noun, and so proper noun is changed to Mr. Adam. And the next is I love to stay in town. The underline here is town. The town is also a common noun. In this sentence, I change here the town. Like for example, Sindangan. The town is changed to Sindangan. I love to stay in the Sindangan. The Sindangan here is proper noun. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and thank you.